Hello children, today I have brought some lines on greed. It is a requested video. Jaswant Singh ji has requested for this and here are the lines. Greed is a curse. We must stay away of greed. It becomes the reason of downfall. Greed makes man crazy. It is the root of all evils. Fraud is considered as a daughter of greed. A greedy person cannot be rich. The poor are not those who don't have much, but are those who crave much. An excessive desire to acquire or possess more is called greed. Possessions can bring us pleasures, and pleasures can become addictive, and this addiction is called greed. Greed is a fat demon with a small mouth, and whatever you feed it is never enough. Greed is a permanent slavery. Hell has 3 gates: lust, anger, and greed. And of course, last but not the least, if you want to be greedy, then be greedy for knowledge. I hope you would have liked this video. And if you have liked it, please share it. And if you want Hindi paragraphs, stories, poems, etc., you can go to my second channel, that is Aao Hindi Seekhe. Its link has been given in the description box. Thank you.